Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your watch, or rather from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on device, and here you should see your XIAOMI Watch S3. Now scroll down, and as you can see we have the category called notifications and calls, and here we have the app notifications. Tap on the app notifications, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed, you will see the pop-up on the screen. If you see this pop-up, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here find the Mi Fitness application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access and tap on allow. Then go back like this, and now we can turn on and off the notifications by tapping on the switch. Once you enable the notifications, you will see that some options appear, and we have the receive only when phone is locked. If you turn on this option, you won't receive the notifications on your watch if the screen on your phone is unlocked. That's how it works. If you disable this option, you will receive them if the screen is unlocked. Next we have the wake screen option, so this basically turns on the screen if you receive the notification on your watch. Then we have the notify only when worn. If this option is enabled and you don't wear your watch on your hand, on your wrist rather, you won't receive the notifications on your watch. I'm gonna disable this option for now. And then we have more options, and here we have the sync all notifications or custom notifications. Sync all notifications option, if it's enabled, basically what it does is turns on the notifications for every app on your phone. So you will receive the notifications from every app from your phone on your watch. But you can turn off this option and tap on custom notifications, and this allows you to select specific apps. So let's say you want to receive the notifications only from Discord, and you can enable Discord here, and now you will see the notifications only from Discord on your watch. That's how it works. So customize it to your liking, and once you're done, you can go back to the device page. And here we have the incoming calls. If you want to receive the notifications about calls, tap on incoming calls, enable the option called optimize incoming call notifications, then tap on allow, and allow the required permissions. Then we have the show contact info. If you want to see who's calling you, you can tap on the switch to enable it and allow the required permissions. And we can also enable the quick replies. If you want to use it, you need to allow another permission. And we can edit the quick responses by adding them or editing them if you like to. Okay, and once you turn on the notifications and set them up, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna turn on Discord, and I am logged in, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I should receive the notification on our phone. It didn't work, so I'm gonna turn on the do not disturb mode for a second, then turn it off and try again. If that won't help, we're gonna try to figure something out. Okay, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you enable the notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.